Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect visitor from different time zone in website using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in header.php file and we are going to add JavaScript code. So you can add this code in PHP or HTML website in head or header.php. Now paste, and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code, we are going to add redirection and redirect visitor based on their time zone to different pages or URL. And then you see script tag, and then you see page 1 variable, page 2 variable. So we added custom link, and then you see fetch ipinfo.io JSON, and then you see data.timezone Asia Karachi. So when visitor from this time zone, then redirect to page 1. Now you see page 1 code, and then when visitor come from America, New York, then redirect to page 2. So we added link. So you can add link according to requirement, and then you see website link IP info. Now open it, and then you see all detail IP, city, region, country, location, postal, time zone. Now you see time zone America, New York. We are using US IP address. Now back to code. So you can add custom link according to requirement. So our time zone is Asia Karachi. So when we visit this website, then redirect to this link. If someone from this time zone America, New York, then redirect to page 2 google.com. Now click on save. Now save done. Go to website page. So this is our link, open it. Now you see redirection not done because of cache issue. Now go to another browser. Now add your website link and then press enter. Now you see open our website, and then again redirect to this website, again open it. So this is our website link, press enter. So our time zone is Asia Karachi. Again you see redirection. Now back to code. So you can add custom link according to requirement, and then you see time zone Asia Karachi. If you want to add more time zone, then copy as if. Now you see, now copy this and then paste here, and then you see page 2 change variable, page 3. So you can add your time zone, and then scroll up, you see page 2. Now copy and then paste, then change page 3. So you can add your custom URL here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.